Hello, I am Ibrahim Ziada from Startup EIIN. Zainab is an old woman. She used to take warfarin to prevent blood clots. One day she had an infection and went to the pharmacy and took some antibiotics. After a while, Zainab recovered, but she suffered from a severe pain and went to the hospital and discovered that she was suffering from kidney failure due to a dangerous drug-drug interaction between antibiotic and warfarin. This is called drug-drug interactions. 56.2 of patients are exposed to one or more major or moderate potential drug-drug interactions. Plus 100 chronic disease medications interact seriously with COVID-19 protocol medications. There is more than 2 million drug-drug interactions and it's really huge medication data. In pharmacy, there is average plus 10 prescription every hour, so no time for a check. Our solution is EIIN Checker. By taking only one picture of medications, you can know all drug-drug interactions and all medical information.
After launching EIIN, start by uploading an image of your prescribed drugs. After uploading them, start the EIIN Analyzer, which uses AI technology to identify your drugs. EIIN will start by showing a list of the names of the prescribed drugs, and it could also show drug-drug interactions based upon the severity, starting from the most severe, which is colored in red, to the least severe, which is colored in yellow. You can also use EIIN to know more about an individual drug, including the clinical descriptions, the pharmacodynamics, etc. You can also use EIIN to find substitutes for your drug and the prices as well.
EIIN has two interfaces, an interface for the doctor that contains detailed reports, and another interface for the patient that contains simplified information in the form of colors that shows the severity of the drug interaction. It also provides audio explanation, a simplified interface, and food drug interactions, and finally, the patient profile. Application technology. First step input by taking photo of medications. Second step analysis using IPM Watson Studio. Third step database filtration by recognition of medications. Fourth step interactions detection using drug bank database. Final step making simplified report as output. AI validation. We have made three validation stages. First, from December to February, with successful rate 63%. Second, from March to April, with successful rate 78%. Third, and finally, from April to May, 93% successful rate. Our value proposition, first, easy. You can know all drug-drug interactions only by one photo. Accurate and updated because application is integrated with drug bank database. User-friendly because we have simple GUI, patient GUI, and doctor GUI, and flexible because it's integratable. Customer segments, we are B2C and B2B business. B2C by monthly subscription with doctors and pharmacists, patients, medical students, and B2B with hospitals and pharmacies. I now has more than 1,200 B2C customers and have deal with Tanta University Hospital as B2B.
Hi, Karim here. Now, when it comes to revenue stream, AIN decided that strategy by taking on B2B and B2C strategy. AIN charge a subscription from each patient user by $1.5 monthly and $2.5 monthly by each doctor and pharmacist on their own business. And that will really be our B2C strategy. When it comes to B2B strategy, we charge $500 for our desktop system. We charge for hospitals, and we have also an app placements for clinics and hospitals where we charge $5 for targeted ads paid by each 1,000 views.
On-ground validation by testing our app with pilot testers, doctors and patients from hospitals like Suad Kafafi Hospital, Tanta University Hospital, and Mansoura University. We have also back-end validation. In this example, in 10 days, we have total tested medications by user about 10K and drug interaction detected is about 1.2K drug interactions.
Medical care industry is large, with a market size value by 2020 $100.2 billion USD, with a CAGR of 7.4% from 2020 to 2027. We are penetrating this market by two ways: digital marketing like Facebook, and on-ground operation through healthcare providers like hospitals, pharmacies, and universities.
We made three campaigns varying between on-ground and online. AIN cares about your health, AIN cares about your career, learn and transform. We made marketing campaigns on the ground inside Tanta University Hospital and within the faculties of medicine and pharmacy to introduce the application and its importance for their career.
AIN considers itself as an innovative health tech solution. We aim to control 5 to 8% of the information market and reaching this percentage within 5 years from now. This percentage was chosen precisely because it is a percentage of using small systems in processing health information in Egypt, in particular hospitals that implement clinical pharmacy program, and this happened according to office statistics of WHO in Cairo for 2019. And compared to its competitors such as Radai, Rusheta, Micromedics, our age is our application AIN is the only application that shows drug interactions in a visual and easy way through colors for the patient and detailed and accurate way for doctors. And that happens through two interfaces, one dedicated to the patient and one for the doctor. The promise we make is AIN is the only application in Egyptian market that has a complete Egyptian drug information, thanks to our partnership with the drug bank.
AIN is faster and easier than other applications, as you can get information through one shot without having to write a list of medications, which make it more convenient for pharmacists and easier for patients to use. AIN have very simple GUI compared to Lexi and Micromedics, as AIN uses AI to analyze text and present the most important parts in small diagram, and also summarize all information in the form of graph using AI.
AIM take pride for itself for being a long time and achievement since International Pharmaceutical Federation, known for as FIB for short. We take AIN since then seriously by registering our company stated as a startup among its founders share, partnered with three entities in contract, which are Tanta University Hospital, Saud Kafafi Hospital, and Dar El Fuad Hospital, having plus 1,100 users and received a recognition from big entities such as Citibank and AstraZeneca, and building our greatest partnership with Drug Bank ABI. And this is our team. We shared our love story with Building Ventures. Ibrahim was before a startup founder that was incubated by Halter Prize Accelerator. Karim was working with PCG consultants, helping businesses to grow by millions. Muhammad Akram had two research publications on drug-drug interactions. Ahmed Mustafa was working for startups as a software architect for over 5 years. Mariam was working as a marketing specialist for different agencies. Thank you so much for having us and have a good day.